Hello, friends. We have been talking about JEE Main 2020 and NEET 2020 exam for the past so many days. Now, officially, a confirmation has come about the attendance of the students on the day 3 of the JEE Main September 2020, and the officials have confirmed it. So let me discuss with you all what all the officials have disclosed and what the education minister has said on that. Again, one more thing, that Supreme Court would be hearing the review petition of its order to hold JEE Main 2020 and NEET 2020 today, that is 4th of September. So now we will be discussing all these things, that what exactly is going to happen. Now, the officials have confirmed that on the third day of JEE Main, the attendance was 82.14%. This is the official news. It says that it was 82.14% because JEE Main in September 2020 has been conducted in two shifts. As you all are aware, one is the morning shift and the other one is the afternoon shift. Now, thanking all the chief ministers for their support and for the students' careers, our Minister of Education, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, he took to Twitter today to announce this attendance, and he also shared the attendance for the last 3 days for the JEE Main exam. Uh, for the information of you all, the total registered candidates for all the 3 days combined were 4,58,521, and as per the news, the official news, out of these, as many as 343,958 aspirants of JEE Main have appeared in all these all these 3 days. This is the official news. The NTA has been conducting the entrance test of JEE Main in two slots between 9 a.m. and 12 noon and 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. from September 1. Now, the first day, that is the 1st September 2020 of the JEE Main ARC and B planning paper conducted by NTA, it had concluded with 54.67% attendance. These are the official records. And then the JEE Main BTech and B paper on 2nd September and 3rd September, they showed, according to the official records, they show a record of 81.08% attendance and 82.14% attendance respectively. That means on 2nd September and the 3rd September. Now, in total, 8,58,273, a big figure. These many students have registered for JEE Mains this year, and the test for admission to the engineering colleges in India will continue till 6th of September. As we all are aware, the tests are going to continue till 6th. Now, the education minister tweeted yesterday that here is the attendance for the last 3 days for the JEE Main. And he also mentioned that it's heartwarming to see so many students participating in this yagna to create Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is what the education minister has tweeted. Despite COVID-19 pandemic. And he also says that I thank all the chief ministers for their support to ensure the that the students' career are not affected. And again, he has also shared the following data on the tweet. The data, as you all can say, it says that attendance on 3rd of September, the shift 1, shift 2, on the 2nd of September, shift 1, shift 2, everything is being showed in this chart very clearly. So that is the reason that they are saying that 82.14% was the attendance on the 3rd of September 2020. Now, this JEE Main paper is held for undergraduate admission to the Indian Institutes of Technology and the various other NITs, National Institutes of Technology and Engineering courses across the country. And based on the performance of JEE Main 2020, the top scorers will be eligible to appear in the JEE Advanced 2020, which will be held. Now, obviously, the result has to be out before the students can register for that also. Now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the NTA had to take various measures to conduct the JEE Main. These measures had they had claimed that, and many it had been done that it included increasing the number of JEE main examination centers so that the social distancing could be maintained, and then there were staggered entry and exits, मतलब टर्न बाय टर्न द स्टूडेंट्स वर टोल्ड, उनको आना जाना टर्न बाय टर्न था, सो दैट सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग भी मेंटेन हो सके. नाउ इट इज़ ऑल्सो ट्रू दैट वेरियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैड ऑल्सो कम फॉरवर्ड. दे केम फॉरवर्ड टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स जो थे अपने कुछ रिमोट एरियाज़ में थे बहुत जगह पे. तो कुछ पर्सनल या ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस भी सामने आई थी जिन्होंने हेल्प करा था स्टूडेंट्स को रीच करने के लिए, पहुंचने के लिए for their JEE main exam centers, because obviously it's very tough. The students, it's quite possible that बहुत जगह पे floods भी थे और बच्चों के लिए इतना पॉसिबल नहीं था एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर में पहुंचना, बहुत महंगा था, ट्रेन्स बंद थी, तो बहुत ज़्यादा personal organizations had come forward to help them to reach the examination centers. Now, one more important thing, that the ministers of 6 states of our country on Friday had moved the Supreme Court seeking a review of its order permitting the center to conduct NEET 2020 and JEE Main 2020. अब ये 6 स्टेट्स के चीफ मिनिस्टर, 6 स्टेट्स के मिनिस्टर्स ने एक रिव्यू पिटिशन फाइल करी थी. अब ये जो रिव्यू प्लिया वाज फाइल्ड बाय द मिनिस्टर्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड, राजस्थान, छत्तीसगढ़, पंजाब एंड महाराष्ट्र. अब आज 4 सितंबर को द सुप्रीम कोर्ट विल no, it's today. Today, 4th September, they will hear the review petition of its order कि वो होल्ड करना है कि क्या करने हैं JEE Main 2020 और NEET 2020 के एग्ज़ाम्स सितंबर के. Now, a bench led by Justice Ashok Bhushan will hear the review plea filed by the ministers of these 6 स्टेट्स. सो नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स. आज का जो उन्होंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हियरिंग है कि क्या उसका रिज़ल्ट आता है जो रिव्यू पिटिशन का. सो मीनवाइल आज भी एग्ज़ाम हो रहा है एंड द स्टूडेंट्स हैव रीच्ड देयर एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर. आई एम वेरी होपफुल कि बहुत तैयारी करके, बहुत पढ़ाई करके गए होंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द बेस. उनका जो कॉलेज सिलेक्शन होएगा इट विल बी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन ओनली. एंड आई एम रियली होपफुल कि उनके जो 2 साल की मेहनत है 11-12 में, दे हैव बीन कंटिन्यूसली वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन. दे विल डू देयर बेस्ट एंड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग शुड बी एंड मस्ट बी मेंटेन्ड. अपना मास्क वगैरह वो सब पहन के ही जाना, पूरे अपना सैनिटाइज़र साथ में लेके जाना. एंड व्हाट ऑल कोड, ड्रेस कोड दे हैव गिवन कि मोबाइल्स अलाउड नहीं है. All those things must be followed. So I would wish you all the very best for the exam today, और जिनका आज एग्ज़ाम है और सेकेंड शिफ्ट में भी है. एंड नाउ विल बी वेटिंग फॉर क्या उसका हियरिंग का रिज़ल्ट आता है. एंड देन विल बी अगेन कमिंग शेयरिंग द डिटेल्स विद यू ऑल. सो यू कैन सब्सक्राइब द चैनल so that you get to know about our next update, so that you get to know about the next news. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening for now. Okay, bye.